The film was in black and white, and some of the stabbing sounds were made by stabbing a knife into a cassava melon. I think the techniques have changed over the years. We go from one iconic set to another. Here is Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. This set is only rivaled in size by James Cameron's Titanic and Orson Welles' Ten Commandments. And yes, that is a real 747 there in the middle. Let's hear from Steven Spielberg and his production designer, Rick Carter, as to how they brought this to life.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Steven had.
It's like, yeah, to sit down to talk about the War of the World. So I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got it closed? Robbie, get in. Get in.
As Robbie gets in, we're going to head out, and I'm going to use this opportunity to tell you we have 10 minutes left in the tour, and we'll be returning to the theme park shortly. Remember to pull the emergency cord if you need assistance, and remain seated at all times. Now that plane is real. It cost the production $60,000. That's kind of good for a big Hollywood production, but it cost them $200,000 to get it here. It's always the shipping and handling. Now on your right, you'll see Falls Lake. It's empty right now, but it does hold over 2